Okay, this is part 2, adding hot sauce to
I should wait.
slime. No, Jude, do it to a stiff slime. So Orbeez or hot sauce helps stiff
Very
slime.
stiff.
Let me add some water and hopefully it will.
But this is
I
also
added too
watery.
much.
So
I didn't really put. No, don't add. Okay, so I spilled some on the table, just a tiny bit.
This
So
one's mine, right?
And a little bit. Yeah.
See if this one's stiff. Oh yeah, this one's really stiff. It doesn't even want to stretch.
Okay, so it's actually really good. It's
Ada,
very
is this a good slime
sticky.
to Is this a good slime to add stuff in?
I don't know. No, I think it's stiff. Yeah, add some hot sauce.
Add some stuff.
Yeah, I don't know. Guys, should we make a part 3? I don't think we should. But
Am I supposed to just crush my
yeah, don't add hot sauce. Okay, actually don't. Just don't.